We are coming to the end of the summer holiday and now looking ahead to the next academic year starting shortly. This is a time where we're exploring how to ensure that our children keep up at school, are able to meet up to the requirements for each subject and also to excel or move a grade up at school. If this is what you want, listen up. My name is Lara Oppo. I'm the Director of Fluent Learning Tuition Provider of English, Maths and Science to children between the ages of 3.5 and 15.
I love the diversity of Ant Learning School, the teachers and the pupils that come.
My children love attending the lessons. I have 2 children who've gone through for the past reception year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5.
One of the things I really love about Ant Learning is the continuous feedback. It's the relationship you have with the teachers.
We saw that in Ant Learning, she was exposed to so much more. Even with her reading, just the fact that she was doing a lot of comprehension, a lot of words that she may not have been exposed to in school.
In addition to that, his math skills. We know he loves maths and we can see an improvement in maths, so much so it's on his school reports.
She's learned a lot this academic year and I just love that. I think that's so key, just to know that the teacher is paying close attention to how your child is developing.
The teachers are really good quality. You know, what they teach is just so sound. It's definitely worth a try.
If you like your child to explore our program to ensure they're able to keep up with the academic work and exceed in the academics, below this video there is a link. Fill in your details and book your child in for a taster session.